Hi boys and girls, welcome to day 2 of Writer's Workshop. Today our focus is going to be writing an opinion topic sentence and taking care of our picture. The materials you're going to need today is your iPad set to 15 minutes, a pencil, crayons, and this writing paper. Pause the video while you get those items. Alright, welcome back boys and girls. So that we don't spend too much time on this activity and have a time robber take up all of our time for doing activities, I want you to go ahead and set your timer for 15 minutes and go ahead and start it. Pause while you do that. Great job setting your timer. We're not going to let the time robber take our time up. Boys and girls, let's review what an opinion is. An opinion is how you think or feel about something. When someone wants to know your opinion about something, it sounds like this. Hey, which type of pizza is the best? And I might say, I think that pepperoni pizza is the best type of pizza. That would be my opinion. Now, not everyone always has the same exact opinion, so sometimes our opinions are different, but sometimes we share the same opinion because a lot of people do like pepperoni pizza. But it's okay if it's different. We don't always have to have the same opinion. Now, boys and girls, you have a question up here at the top where they're asking you about your opinion on something, and it says, what would you like to grow in a garden? Your choices are carrots or flowers. So I want you to think about which one is your favorite. And while you're thinking about it, I'm going to show you a sample of a different paper, from a different paper that I'm going to do. I'm going to do, what would you like to buy at the pet store? A fish or a cat? And I chose a fish. Now, did you know that there's different ways to start an opinion? They're called opinion starters. So I might, when I go to write my sentence, I could start it out, my favorite, I believe, in my opinion, I think, I feel, or I prefer. I think I'm going to start mine with I prefer because that sounds like a good one for which type of pet. So I'm going to go ahead and start writing my opinion topic sentence statement, and I'm going to write I prefer to buy a, do you know what I'm put next? You're right, fish. I prefer to buy a fish. Now you are going to get your paper and you are going to pause the video and you're going to use one of those opinion starters to write down which of those items you prefer to grow in a garden. Pause the video and do that now. Welcome back. Now that you've written your topic sentence, you're going to use your crayons to color very neatly with detail the pictures at the top of your page. When you're done with that, you will be done and you can put your paper in your folder. It's been great working with you on day 2 of writing. I'll be back with you tomorrow.